Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hi all, today we'll take you through my another trip during my vacation. Over the weekend, we went to Kesarghatta in Telangana. It's approximately 40 kilometers from Hyderabad city. Not only it's a beautiful place but carries spiritual significance as well. The beautiful temple called Sri Lamalingeshwara Swami Temple is on the top of a hill, and the scenic beauty around the hill is something to get amazed of. We started early in the morning at 6:30 a.m. so as to avoid the rush and also to capture the beautiful view before it gets hot. It's a hilly area, so it gets hotter in the afternoon. The best time is to visit in the morning or evening. A gradual ascent to the temple through an arched gateway. We came across a huge statue of Lord Hanuman. The temple is believed to be as old as Ramayana. According to a legend, Rama decided to worship Shiva after installing a Shivalingam here to free himself from the curse of killing Ravana, a Brahmin. He chose this place for its peaceful ambience on top of the hill surrounded by forest. He asked Hanuman to get a Shivalingam from Varanasi. As the auspicious hour was about to pass, Shiva himself appeared before Rama and presented him with a Shivalingam to install at the temple. It is said that the disappointed Hanuman threw the 101 lingams he bought from Varanasi all over the place on his return. That's why we find a lot of lingam scattered around the hillock. To appease the upset Hanuman, Rama said that henceforth the hill will be known as Kesari Giri and he would be worshipped first. You can find a lot of monkeys here and one should be careful with the food items you carry. Post which on our way back, we visited a farmhouse with sunflower, corn and mango plantation around. It was so mesmerizing to see the natural plant in their habitat. And we spoke with the caretaker about the growing methods of the crops. We also got some fresh mangoes as gift from the farmhouse owner, freshly plucked from the tree. Also then we went on to visit Shamarpet Lake, which is again very near to the place. Here not only you can view the beautiful scenery of the lake surrounding, but it's a place for one to see different varieties of birds and butterflies. A wonderful day spent close to nature along with some spiritual touch. What else you want? Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank